What's up YouTube, POLLINA Racing here. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Jb4 for the first time, so I'm gonna show you what's inside, what comes with it. So I just got it right here on the mail. So I'm gonna get back home, I'm gonna start opening it, I'm gonna record everything for you guys.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so I made it back home. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so that's the box right there. Let's see what's inside. Okay, there's a card, fill it. Okay, what else? This is like a letter from Burger Motorsports and the Jb4. I have to say, it's a little smaller than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger. We got all the wires right here, and that's about it. It's just the Jb4 on the wires.
12 seconds later.
To be honest guys, I have no idea of what I have to do, where it goes where. This is completely new for me, so hopefully I don't mess up when I install it. So there you have it guys, the Jb4 is here. We're gonna start building the 335, no more stock. So yeah, make sure to follow the channel, hit the subscribe button so you can follow the build, and see you in the next video.